guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but let's just get right to it. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 base reaction types in chemistry. So the first one we're going to be talking about is synthesis. And basically, what synthesis is, it is basically when you have a reaction with when 2 elements become 1. So, like, a diagram for this would be like A plus B goes to C. And an example of this would be, let's say you have 2H2 plus O2 goes to 2H2O. So in this case, this would be your A, this would be your B or B, and this would be your this whole thing would be your C. So synthesis is when 2 things become 1. So one thing is synthesized from 2 other items. Now the next reaction type we're going to talk about is decomposition. I'm just going to put decomp. So what decomposition is, it is when, it's the opposite of synthesis. It is when one thing decomposes into 2 things. So A is decomposed into B plus C. Example of this would be, let's say CaCO3 plus, or not plus, goes to CaO plus CO2. So as you can see, CaCO3 decomposes into CaO and C plus CO2. And then the next reaction type we're going to be talking about is combustion. And basically what combustion is, it is when you have a reaction that yields carbon dioxide. So you could have like anything here and anything here, and you would have to have it yield carbon dioxide. So an example of this would be something like C3H. Oh, and another thing is you would have to have carbon and hydrogen here. Right. So C3H85O2 goes to 3CO2 plus 4H2O. So as you can see, we have carbon dioxide here, and we have carbon and hydrogen here. And then we have 2 more. So the next one we're learning about is single displacement. I'm just going to put SD. Single displacement, and that basically what that is, it is when one element replaces another. So like a diagram of this would be like A plus BY goes to B plus AY. As you can see, A replaced B here. So A used to be A plus BY, and then A replaced B here. So that's single displacement. An example of this would be fluorine 2, or F2, plus ZnCl goes to Cl2 plus ZnF. As you can see, fluorine, or chlorine replaced fluorine, and fluorine replaced chlorine. So that's just one element that's switched. And the next one we're going to learn about is double displacement, which is basically a more complex version of single displacement, as you probably guessed. So a diagram of this would be AX plus BY goes to AY plus BX. And as you can see, A replaced, or not A, X replaced, Y replaced X, and X replaced Y. So it's when 2 elements of formula replace each other, or 4 I should say. So an example of this would be, let's say CuCl2 goes to Na2SO4. Maybe that shouldn't be goes to Cl2 plus NaSO4 goes to Zn, that's not Z, 2N ACl plus CuSO4. So as you can see, Na replaced Cu, and, Cu replaced Na. So it's 4 elements that replace each other. So that's all I have for you guys today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys next time.